Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the last recipe. Today we're gonna make a fast fermented bean paste soup. In my last video, I made a bean paste soup. The major difference between fast fermented bean paste soup and bean paste soup is the duration of fermentation, as you can tell from its name. The fast fermented bean paste takes only a few days to be completely fermented, while bean paste takes several months for fermentation. Nevertheless, it doesn't mean that fast fermented bean paste is not as good as bean paste. It helps to cure cancer, for it is proficient in basil. Also, it helps to prevent constipation. So if you're ready, let's get started. Slice the tofu. Don't make it too big or too small. Just make it a little bigger than the bite size. Cut them into 2 centimeters wide. Turn them around and cut them into 3 parts. Slice the onion into bite size. Cut the red chili diagonally. Slice 2 green chili. Cut 30 grams of Enoki mushroom at the bottom and separate them apart. Squeeze the kimchi so that too many kimchi juices can't go inside. Slice them into a bite size. Put 1 spoon of oil in a pot. Put 90 grams of beef inside. Stir them for 3 minutes. Put 800 milliliters of water. Boil this for 10 minutes and remove any bubbles floating on the surface. Put a chopped kimchi inside. Stir them for 2 minutes. Put a chopped onion and chili. Stir them for 3 minutes. Put a fast fermented bean paste. As you can see, beans are so stick to each other, so you have to separate them apart. The reason why I put fast-fermented bean paste afterward is the bacillus inside fast-fermented bean paste can be destroyed with a fire. However, don't make them completely crushed. Stir them for 3 minutes. Put a chopped tofu inside. Stir them for 1 minute. Put 1 teaspoon of ground garlic and stir them for 1 minute. Put 1 chopped spring onion and Enoki mushroom. Boil this for 3 minutes. If you're done making them, please steam in a bowl. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!